Hey YouTube, this is your favorite homeboy Edward, and today we're going to talk about that one part in your renovation project that you don't want to underestimate: floors. Doing demo for your next renovation project is a great way to save money and help you get your next investment quicker. In fact, if you didn't watch part one, we also talk about leveraging renters, your assets, and people to also helping you get your investment quicker. Now, as you're going to see in today's video, sometimes it's easy to underestimate the amount of work that has to take place. And today we're going to talk about floors. Taking out flooring, whether it's carpet, sometimes it's easy and predictable, but we had to deal with some really difficult floors, and we had to scrape out glue, we had to bust out tile. So as you can see in today's video, it took a little bit longer than we expected. And even if you rent equipment, sometimes you think, well, I'm gonna rent equipment, it's gonna go faster. Well, the equipment we rented stunk, and just having good old-fashioned elbow grease and basic tools did a better job. So check out that video. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your favorite homeboy, day 3, demolition. Today we focus on the stripper. And at $60 a day, we're gonna get some good use out of this stripper. We're gonna strip all the floors here, and all the floors here. And we got this refrigerator that we sold for $20 on Craigslist. That goes towards lunch money. And I got a buddy here, Wayne, who's gonna be helping me. He's on the camera. Say hi, Wayne.
How you doing? We're scraping away, careful.
Scraping away. Watch out for those surgical blades. All right, so we'll keep you updated on the progress. Here's a before shot. Hopefully this will be all gone in a little bit. Rip it, buddy! Well, it's 12 o'clock, and that's about all I got done. And I can take credit for that too. So this is a lot harder than it looks. This stupid machine, it's like pushing a horse. So I'm gonna go for lunch, and hopefully the magic floor fairy will come here and take care of the rest for me. I'm gonna try to sell these on Craigslist. I already got rid of my fridge. So, all right, signing out. That might be the magic floor fairy. Oh yes, it is. All right, it's dinner time for favorite homeboy. We're at Placas Greek Cafe. David Sheremizi was on the video camera, and he's reinforcements for tonight. So we're gonna get some food and energy, and then we'll be right back at it. So stay tuned for more. Smile. All right, it's 9:30 p.m. and we got all the flooring done. Pretty much ripped out everything in the conference room. That machine stinks. Don't ever rent something like that again, okay? If you want something, this thing here, a pole with a razor blade on it does much better. That thing is like an elephant, and it works slower. And that's why I'm so sore. This is another reason why I'm sore. All this trash that we moved out. And this is the third reason I'm sore. Craigslist, baby. Got rid of that stove, dishwasher, garbage disposal. I just gave it away. And this room is clear. It's dark. I'm too tired to turn on the light. So we did pretty good today. Thanks, Wayne. Thanks, David, for helping me out. And tomorrow I'm going to work on the floors again, and then busting that out. Hopefully we can bust that out. All the wall, that yellow tile's down. And most of the trash is gone. Woo! Day 3 is done. Day 4, Lord give me strength. Your favorite homeboy signing out. See you Thursday. Good morning, day 4, your favorite homeboy. And today we're just gonna keep doing the floors. I got some helpers here. Sabrina and Chloe, can you say hi to the camera? Hi! Are you guys gonna help me? No. No. Okay, so check out the floors. It's all cleared out. And now I gotta work on this floor over here. Over here, I'm gonna work on this floor. And after that, all the flooring is pretty much 95% done. And then we can start staining it and adding an inch of, I forgot what you call it, but to make it look nice. So anyways, your favorite homeboy signing out. I'll keep you updated throughout the day. We got the trailer loaded up for the 3rd dump. Wayne's gonna be pulling it. We got Danny in there. He's gonna be helping us. He's got the city utility bill so we can dump this for free. And we got this carpet on top so stuff doesn't fly out. So wish us luck. Here we go. Hey Wayne, do you smell something funny?
It smells like garbage here, man. I'm just saying.
Hey Danny, how you doing?
I'm running the tools.
This is the weapon of choice right here. Blade 2000. Every once in a while you guys change them out. This is the first one, the second one. The third one took a beating. Look at all that glue from the rug. And the rug looks like it beat them up pretty good. And so now I'll switch into a brand new blade, baby. All right, day 4 is over. Done by 4 o'clock, ready to pick up the pizza. All the tile scraped on this room, future office. All the tile or laminate is scraped on this room. Hallelujah. Man, that took forever. And then, of course, yesterday, we finished that up last night. So we did the hallway today, and we did the blue carpet today too, because we had to use it to cover all the debris so it wouldn't fly all over the place. That room, fortunately, we don't have to do because it's already concrete. Tomorrow, we got to work on this room. We started here, we're going to end here. This is like the nightmare room. So good day. Got a lot done. No one got hurt. Nothing leaked, nothing exploded. So see you tomorrow. Welcome to the gun show, baby! Welcome to the gun show! Almost there. I'm gonna knock that out. Alright, this is your favorite homeboy. I'm in the car right now and had to take a little lunch break because I have to meet a client for he's looking at building a house, and so I'm gonna meet with his designer and have lunch with him. So prior to this though, we had all the floors knocked out. Wayne did an excellent job on the jackhammer, and you can see I got a nice shirt on because I'm meeting a client. Didn't have time to really wash up too much, but hey, that's how it goes. So when I get back, get the lights down, clean up, and then weekend's here. So I'm pretty happy with the progress so far. All right. Okay, day 4 is complete, or day 5 is complete, or demolition week is pretty much complete. Let me show you what I did. I'm holding my own camera this time. Well, I decided to keep that ceiling fan. You never know how hot it might get in this room. I can also take it off easier since I'm a professional now. Took down that fan, but here's the results. Demolition week, floors cleared, lights removed, cleared out this. This is going to be an office here. On Monday, the goal is to have all the plumbing cut back and capped, and all the wires and all the electrician stuff. You know, the panel is going to be replaced by a new panel. We're going to have some can lights put in here. All the lights here are taken out. That light's gone, that ceiling fan. And then in the bathroom, this was the main goal right here. This room, it's all cleaned out. There's no yellow tile. And finished scraping the floors in here. So this was considered a success because we got the room clean. All the floors are now cleaned out and dehumidifying that room because of the moisture. and we're good to go. Saving that light for last because it's so beautiful. All right, day one, or week one demolition complete. So I hope you enjoyed that video with me and the stripper. Please don't tell my mom. So I bought this property for $250,000 and I added another $25,000. So I was all in about $275,000 in that first round of renovations because we did more renovations later on. So we're gonna stick with $275 just for sake of numbers, making it easy. 10 years later, about now, today's value is about $400,000. So that's about a 4% rate of appreciation. However, if you take into consideration that the money invested was only about $75,000, the cash on cash return is about 13% over the past 10 years. So 13% every year for the past 10 years on our cash that was invested. All in all, it was a good investment, but now that my company works remote, I really don't have a need for the building. And now it will probably sell when the next opportunity comes up. I'll probably sell it and fix it up a little bit, make sure everything's good and wait for the next buyer to come around. And you guessed it, if I do sell it or when I do sell it, I'm going to do a 1031 with the proceeds and save on the taxes I owe again. And that gets me really excited because then I get to look for another deal. So comment below, let me know if you've done the same thing I've done, taken some money from a property, put it in another 1031 and now looking for another investment. Let me know what kind of investment property you're looking for. Or if you want to do a video on a particular investment that we didn't talk about, comment below. Lastly, please do me a favor, share this channel with your friends. You can help me to do that by subscribing, liking the video, and shooting a link to your friends. Again, this is your favorite homeboy, Edward, signing out.